are next to me. You guys have no idea how happy I am to finally receive new mini racers to the mini racers line. Yeah, it's been over a whole year since we've had a new one. I believe the last new ones were Race and Rescue Road to Boski and Red, which is just insane. And those ones don't even really count because they're just terrible mini racers. But as a completist, I just can't wait to get my hands on these 5 new mini racers here. Yes, there is 5, not 6, because Luigi is just a cheap, reissue of the regular Luigi. Yeah, this is available in 2026 Mini Racers Case J, I believe. I got these from my bestseller in the UK, Gendams. You guys could check out her store, although I believe she's currently on holiday at the time of this video being recorded and uploaded to YouTube. But yeah, so taking a close look at the free pack now of Fillmore, Mater and Wingo. Such a weird free pack if if I do agree. But yeah, it's the first time I'm actually really seeing this 3-pack here of the new mini racers art style with all the mini racers there. One of the cutest, I suppose, packages ever. Here's a look at the cars we will be taking a closer look at. Race to Celebrate, obviously. And then on the back we have Fillmore, Mater and Wingo. And then the other pack, which will have the exclusive version of Snot Rod. He'll only be available in this 3-pack unless he comes back next year as a single. But we don't know that yet, so that's why I bought the 3-pack. It is just so much more easier and saves a whole bunch more money, even though I spend so much money on cars every single month, what it seems like. But yeah, you can see here, there is the look at the 3-pack. And then on the back as well, we've got Luigi, Lightning McQueen and Snot Rod as well. So yeah, that is a close look at these 3-packs. I suppose let's open these up and review them. So here we have all 5 mini racers out of the packaging now. I'm going to do a quick video on these ones because obviously the 1/55 scale diecast versions are going to be much better, unless you're obviously Snot Rod and Wingo, which aren't going to get a diecast version, but you have the light up versions of them. I'll compare them to them. But yeah, here is Luigi. Luigi is literally the most basic Luigi ever as a mini racer. I just wish we got Guido, but we do have Guido technically. But yeah, so I guess let's start off by taking a close look at Lightning McQueen. So yeah, here is Lightning McQueen here, and I really should have brought the 1/55 scale diecast counterparts out, which luckily are next to me. That's going in the intro because Sally just decided to fall. So yeah, here is a quick look at Lightning McQueen. That was so funny, actually. Don't worry, guys. Sally is safe. She doesn't have any chips. I did inspect her very quickly. But yeah, you can see here the Lightning McQueen is pretty much the same. Obviously, just in a mini form. Really do like this McQueen. Obviously, it uses the World Grand Prix McQueen because it doesn't have the same spoiler. But yeah, you can see here, there is a look at the back. Lightning McQueen at MQ. Very, very cool. And obviously these are still made in Thailand, as you can see here. And I did want to quickly compare him to the Mini Racer World Grand Prix version of Lightning McQueen, or Lightning McQueen with racing wheels, which is what they really call him. Yep, there is a look at McQueen. I'm going to put him into the background now. I suppose let's take a close look at Mater next. So yep, here is a close look at Mater. Does look really, really cool together. Feel free to screenshot, guys. Again, feel free to screenshot Mater. Yeah, there's a look at these two. Look really, really cool. Here's a close look at Mater. Going to zoom in a bit more. You guys can see 95 LMQ. And you can see the massive wing on the back, which is actually unique. Little lopsided here. I suppose that's like that on all the Maters. Yep, there is a look at that. And you can see here the base. Flip it around so you guys can read that. There you guys go. Yep, quick 360 with the Mater now. You can see here the wheels are obviously slightly different. Doesn't have the silver bits here on the side. They are a different colour, but still has the A113 license plate and obviously the hood as well, which is different. It says LMQ instead of 95 LMQ, which I suppose they couldn't fit that on, really. But yeah, there is a look at Mater. Actually, before I forget, I'm going to compare him to some other mini racer Maters as well. We got the Tokyo Mater and the Funny Car Mater. That is a perfect screenshot worthy moment as well. Feel free to screenshot that, guys. But yeah, there is a look at Mater. Now on to Fillmore, which obviously his diecast version is out and available in case K. but this is the first time of me looking at him in general. So yep, here he is. We've got the nice license plate on the front there, which is very interesting. I believe the original didn't have that. And then on to the side, we've got LMQ 95 with some stars, etc. Very interesting. Grainy windows, but that is expected. 95 LMQ on the top. Very nice rims here. Brown base. And then obviously we've got the back here. 51237. License plate for Fillmore. And the stars as well on the other side. Gonna show you guys the other mini racer Fillmore quickly. As you can see, gonna bring the line a bit closer. Yeah, so the license plate isn't on the front of the original. The green bluish color is very, very different, as you can see. So yeah, there is a look at the back of Fillmore. Very, very interesting as a mini racer. But yep, that is a close look at Fillmore now. Gonna zoom out a little bit. There you guys go. And I guess let's take a close look at Wingo, because Wingo does have a, I guess, light up version, which we'll compare him to in just a few seconds here. Yep, we've got the 95 on the top here. This is the only way I believe you can get a die-cast version of Wingo. Yep, you can see here on the side the logos. Do like how they put the LMQ on the spoiler, which is actually really, really difficult for them to do these days because it is plastic. You've got Wingo license plate there on the back. Very cool stuff. Oh, just one of my favourite mini racers. I think I might do an updated mini racers collection video with every single mini, because I believe there's like, what, 260 something now. But yep, there is a closer look at Wingo. Zoom out and then zoom back in for you guys to see the race to celebrate. Obviously they didn't paint that in on the plastic one, but as you can see here, the lights up. Really, really cool. Got the different coloured wheels there. Very interesting. And obviously the spoiler is different. Yeah. There's me trying to push down on the mini racer. Like, that's going to light up. But yeah, really, really cool. Different expression as well. Props to Mattel for that. And obviously, can't forget to show you guys the mini racer Wingo. You can see here. Imagine if they gave us a mini racer boost in the race to celebrate. I'd be so annoyed, guys. Like, literally, you wouldn't even know how annoyed I'd be. But now, going over to Snot Rod here, which, again, is a little bit of a weird one. The expression is different to the race to celebrate light up, as you can see here. The colour changer, I believe, is the same as the mini racer. Obviously, colour changer will change colour. But the expression-wise, that looks actually really, really cool. Feel free to screenshot if you wish to do so. But yeah, you can see here the back, the colour of the license plate is a little bit different. Obviously less grainier now. But yeah, there is that. You can see Snot Rod there as well. 95 LMQ on the side, as you can see here. Very, very interesting. Got a little splodge there on the window. Do like the lightning bolt design. We've got 95 LMQ. There's a look at the back again. And then, of course, the other side, we've got the blue, I guess, engine cover bits there. And again, the expression. Show you guys the regular Snot Rod quickly for the mini racers line. We've got SR for Snot Rod. Really, really interesting. Obviously, it doesn't have Snot Rod there on the side anymore. And we go to the back. Yeah, that is a lot better. The race to celebrate version than this one. Yeah, that is a look at the mini racer Snot Rod now. Well then, that is the end of this video. Are we going to have to wait a whole nother year for some mini racers? I hope not. I don't know. I just really hope there is more mini racers. If I had to rank them, Fillmore, obviously because it's the first time we're looking at him. And then I suppose Meta, because Meta's still really, really cool. McQueen, Wingo, and then Snot Rod, I suppose. That is probably the order I have to give it. Probably, yeah, that is the order. Anyways, I actually talked for way much more longer than I expected. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hype up this video. And until the next video, which should be in a few days' time, peace everybody.